All the trees high enough, baby. Leave it so high your feet won't touch the ground. Would you look at?
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I got my hair like this. Cause I did this like on the spot, like real talk. I did this on the spot. Like I was just going, and it turns out to be like this, and it look cool. Look cool. But if you want to know how I got it like this, you gotta keep watching. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off by parting my hair down the middle, like 2 inches back, and from that I'm going to part one side down and section that off, and then I'm going to part the other side down and section that off. And next I am going to be taking my beeswax and my rubber bands. So I'm going to part from one section off. I'm going to section it off into 3, and then put 2 of the sections together just to get out the way, and then take the beeswax and put it on the perimeter of that part, and then put a rubber band on it. And I tried to do something different right here, but it just wasn't working, so we're just going to go with what I was already trying to tell you. So yeah, we're just going to put that in a rubber band, and then take the next section and repeat that. And then you're just going to want to do that same thing to the other side of your parts. So on the right side you want to do the same thing. And now you should have something that looks like this, and you just want to twist your parts together, and then wherever the rubber band is showing, then you just want to put a clip over top of that and then twist it. And I'm twisting it forward, and so forward as like towards my face, okay, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to add a clip and then twist again, and then add a clip to that rubber band. And you could honestly wear it just like this afterwards, like after you put all the clips on, because if you just like curl your hair in the back or like wet it and you have your curls pop in, that will look cute. I might do that in like another video or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, now I'm trying to put my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to use this gorilla snot, whatever, monkey, gorilla, whatever it's called. It's from Dollar Tree. It was $1. It's like a mimic of the one that's like popular on YouTube all the time. And now I'm just going to add a rubber band on the end of that because it kept coming out. So I just add a rubber band for security, and then put my hair into a ponytail and brush that or whatever and put it in a ponytail. And now I'm going to tease my ponytail. And if you don't know how to do that, you can just watch me right here. This is about all you have to do. Not that hard. And now I'm taking a piece of my hair. I'm trying to do a different type of bun right there. But now I'm just taking a piece of my hair and wrapping it around the base, and then using a rubber band to secure that. And then I'm just going to take my hair and flip it over so it creates a little bun, and pin that down too. And then take the 2 sides and pin those 2 together. And that is how you get a nice little bun right there. You could fluff it out as much as you want to get it as big as you want or whatever. But wait, we got to do those edges real quick. And I already have a baby hair tutorial, so I'm not going to go into depth of how I do it. But I did use different products in this video because I just didn't have my EcoStyle gel with me. But it really doesn't matter. Whatever you use, yeah, if you want to know, just check out the last video. And this is about it. And then after you do your edges, this is your final look. Make sure you want to tie it down with a scarf. I didn't show that in the video, I forgot, but it doesn't really matter. So you just put a scarf over it for like 10 minutes and then take it out, and then boom, you got a bomb-ass look. So I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see in a future video. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep seeing my